Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, I'm going to do a few odds and ends, just little plumbing type things. And then after that, my next video, I'll probably get into the garden and do some mulching. But in today's video, it's just going to be some odds and end plumbing type things, capping off some old lines, and putting a couple ring hose clamps on. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section, and after the video's off, go check out some of the other content. So I just got done doing the putting two 3-inch hose clamps together to make a 6-inch hose clamp, and it's adjustable, I think, to between 4 and 8 inches or something to that effect. I couldn't find a 6-inch one piece at Lowe's, so I just rolled with that and then put that around that big I guess coupler or reducer coupling, the flexible coupling, just to have 2 rings on that big end to make sure that it had good bite and was never going to slip off from vibrations or just time in general. It should have been fine, but it's just kind of a fail-safe just in case. So I'm about to put in this 1/2-inch flexible hose cap on the end of this old iron pipe. So I'm going to pull out with this old clean out that I put in that's really no good anymore, and save it for a future project or something like that. So alright, hey everybody, Bigfoot here. So I just finished up doing that one clean out, got the cap on there on the 1.5-inch iron pipe, old cast iron pipe. And this is a newer one I put in that's connected to PVC on both ends with PVC in the middle on the clean out. But I don't know if you can tell, but an ant colony has built a nest inside here. So I'm gonna have to wash it off with a water hose and then try to get the ants down as much as possible, and then dig out the edge, pull the box out, and then hopefully the ants will go away, and I can get that all the way out of there and cap it off. And then this line from here down, and then it turns under the driveway and goes towards the house where I was just at, will all be completely disconnected, and I'll leave that pipe just uncapped because there's nothing coming in or out of it. And then I'll cap this in that goes to the sewer line over here. So try to get these ants out of here, and hopefully I can do that and get this one done. So enjoy this next clip. All right, everybody. That's about gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content. I'm probably gonna go get in the garden next. So make sure to check that video coming up. We're gonna get the cardboard down, mulch down, and it's really gonna start taking shape and looking a lot more like a ready to go planting garden, and it's gonna look nice. So like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. Now go check out some other content that we just posted yesterday. Appreciate y'all.